This is Ninja a day or two before she kindles, which means gives birth to a litter of kits. And I want to show her belly because it's so big and adorable. You can't really tell. It's hard because I gave her a turtle haircut so that her belly has short hair so that the kits can nurse easily. Can we try to show baby? Good girl, Ninja. Oh, hi. I know this is a rabbit that will let me handle her. This is why I'm showing this. Oh, it's okay. Oh. And a very big belly. Very full. We can't wait to see the kits. Good girl. Now Ninja is back in her hutch with Portobello, the daughter from her last litter that she lives with and shares a hutch with. But I put a dividing wall. I don't know if you can see that. Hi, Reubers. Quit crowing right now. Okay, so I added a wall here. There we go. In the middle. And that is so that she can give birth in peace. But then it's also so that later I can take Ninja and during the days put her in here with Portobello, and then when she needs to nurse, back over here, at least in the beginning when the babies don't come out or anything and they just need to nurse twice a day. You can see that Ninja has gotten ready because she put that food bowl right in front of the nest box. She did that on her own. I had put it right about where her head is, and she shoved it over there because she likes easy access to her food when she's in the nest box. I remember that from last time she had a litter. Good girl, Ninja. Ninja's grabbing hay and wool to build her nest. Sorry for the terrible lighting. You can see there are clumps of wool in there as well as hay. Oh, and there she goes. She puts it in and she fixes it all up. Comes out for more. It's hard to catch them doing this in the daytime, so sorry for the bad lighting. Bad lighting, good information. At first you think, it's just a wiggly mass of wool. What's in there? Ninja's baby is just a couple of hours old. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Oh, wait. Yes, 7. 7 little nuggets. Oh, they look like little piglets. So cute. Yay, Ninja. Hi, babies. Yeah, cover them back up so they stay toasty warm. One day old. Two days old. Three days old. So these two little kits, especially the one on the left here, is really tiny. I keep having to put her or him on Ninja to nurse separately. And then I just now discovered, way down the other end, take a little walk, that Dragon in here who I thought didn't have any kits. I thought that, oh, it was a missed opportunity, bummer. There's one in there. It looks like it's also about 3 days old, and boy is it a chunker. So I'm going to give her these two to raise. They're actually her siblings, because Ninja is also Dragon's mom. So Dragon can take these babies on. Hey Dragon, you want to see? She's adding to her nest, that's why there's wool in her mouth. You see babies, honey? And give them kisses. All right, that was great. So I'm going to pop them in here with the one dragon baby. Hey, look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at this dragonette. This thing is a chunker. Oh, you're so cute. Yeah. Not skinny here at all. Oh my goodness. It looks like a manatee. So this little cutie now has 2 others to be raised with it, so it won't be lonely, and so they can have all of the lovely milk that they're missing. And over with Ninja. So now there's 3 in here. This little one is the one to watch. Thanks, Dragon. 4 days old. These are the 4 now with Ninja. And these are the ones that are with Dragon now. 3 with Dragon, and everybody's doing well. Our little tiny one there is doing much better today. 5 days. And the dragon nest. Six days. Eight days. Dragon's box. Ten days. $13. Their eyes are starting to peek open. $15 old. 3 out of 4 have their eyes open. And Dragon's box. All 3 have their eyes open. Please excuse the goose honking. Hi, babies. Okay, Ninja's babies, day 17. You cutie. Dragon's babies. Oh well, Ninja and Dragon's babies in Dragon's nest. This is the one that we took out of Ninja's box and gave to Dragon to raise because they needed more milk. And this is a very healthy baby now. Gorgeous colors, kind of gray eyes. So cute. An interesting fur. 19 days. a tort. A second tort. A very deep brown, nearly black, but not black. I forgot the word for this color. Seal, maybe? And then our little black bun back here. All right, and here we have a one black. Hey, baby. We have a tan or cream colored tort. Shaded bun with the gray belly. And then we have our little mystery, maybe a light chinchilla. Woo! Ooh, can't get a grip on this baby. There we go. Interestingly, like black tips, points on the wool. I'm curious to see this one grow. So sweet. 3 weeks. They don't actually stay in their box anymore. Hey. Dragon with her babies that were actually Ninja's babies. The black one has an amazing new home, and this is who's left.